Hi guys, my name's Josh Dury. I'm an astrophotographer and a night sky conservationist. There's a special event I wanted to tell you about, which is called Earth Hour in collaboration with WWF. So why is Earth Hour so important? Because it is one of the largest events of its kind. Light pollution's a new area in climate conservation, which we need to raise more awareness about. For 1 hour, we ask you to turn off your lights. And the reason for this being to realise our impacts not only to the natural environment, but also the night sky. And most importantly, by engaging together, we can make a difference. So guys, make sure to pencil in Saturday the 27th of March for Earth Hour between 8:30 and 9:30 PM GMT to recognise the importance of looking up to the stars and beyond.